Be sure to turn the power off before performing any maintenance. Before performing this service, it is necessary to shut off the water. Find the saddle valve, turn it clockwise until it stops. All right, let's slide the water panel into the scale control insert. The spray paint on one edge, that must be up. You'll notice notches. These notches line up with these tabs. This little grooved section faces the inside of the humidifier. This side faces the ductwork or furnace. The assembly is now ready to be installed inside of your humidifier. Slide the brass nut onto the feed tube. Now install the nylon ferrule. Be sure to put the ferrule on with the pointy end aiming towards the orifice. The feed tube material is rather stiff. On some models, it may be necessary to warm it up with a hairdryer in order to bend it. Be careful not to overheat it. We're going to take a 1/2-inch wrench and loosen the feed tube assembly. Now let's connect the feed tube assembly to the solenoid valve. Insert the orifice end into the solenoid valve. Slide the ferrule and the nut forward. Hand tighten it. Now get out the wrench and snug it up. So now we're going to change the strainer screen. This is the incoming water line, the solenoid valve, and the feed tube. There's an arrow here indicating which direction the water flows through the solenoid valve. Here's the tools we'll need. 7/16" wrench, 1/2-inch wrench, pair of needle nose pliers, and a common paper clip. Now, we're going to disconnect the water line. We're going to loosen this up. Pull the water line out of the way. Now we're going to take the paper clip and straighten it out. All right, that's straight enough. Now we're going to bend a small hook on one end of it. There we are. The small hook is going to be used to catch the strainer screen. We're going to slide it in like this to grab the old one. So we're going to reach into the valve, grab the old strainer screen, pull it out, and dispose of it. Now we're going to take the new strainer screen, insert it into the solenoid valve, take the straight end of the paper clip and use it to push the strainer screen into place. Now all we have to do is reconnect the water line, tighten it up, and there we have it. It's all done. Now the only thing you need to do is turn the water back on. Now let's attach the nozzle to the cabinet base. There's a little tab right here. It goes into the socket. It snaps right in, and it's done. I'm your host, Jay. Thank you for watching. For additional help or questions, please feel free to contact us.